Oh guys, this early morning, just this early morning, this early morning. I just wake up, say man, I just walk because I travel. I travel. This early morning, see how I just see the fall. Ain't just the fall everywhere. See the site, and site with this sauce for that place now. Site where I dey work with this. When I walk, rain just the fall. Now cold don't there everywhere. Water for two. How I will come find girl now? Where I will come find babe now? I will not now. Rain just the force this morning. I cold there everywhere. This is not pure water for two. You see, Jesus. Oh my God.